Joel, this is Brian at Twin Falls Volkswagen. Just come over here to look at this '07 Avalanche that you were inquiring about, the Z71 package. 55,000 original miles. Tires are in great shape, no dents, no scratches. And it is a white. And as you were asking about the seat is actually in pretty good shape. The seat right here is just a little bit of wear, but not bad, if any. And the tire pressure monitoring system is fixed, not just shut off. That other one flashing just your light. Even the buttons aren't wore out where they'd normally be wore out for the fan, the heat, and what have you. It does have a sunroof. Being the LTZ, it does open without a problem, and it does vent without a problem. No smoke smell. You got heated seats, memory seat on the door. Interior wise, it's very clean, just dirty from us getting in and out of it here. Same with the back seats. Doesn't look like it's even been set in back here. Door panels are good. The top is good. The back doesn't even look like it's been set in or had anything in here. This thing is absolutely flawless. And then you have your boxes, which are clean. No real blemishes anywhere that I can see. This box is nice. The jack handle's right there. Everything's good. The wheels are even clean. Wheels clean. Front bumpers clean. Not even any real rock chips anywhere. Windshield's clean. Top of the truck is clean. Absolutely nothing wrong with this truck for you. I think it'd make you a great pickup. This is Brian at Twin Falls Volkswagen, 208-733-2954.